and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view filled Google Forms. Sometimes you might want to revisit a Google form you filled out, especially if you're seeking confirmation or reviewing your responses. Google Forms by default doesn't let users see their filled forms after submission, unless certain settings are enabled. And here's how you can view the filled Google form in various ways, depending on how the form creator has set it up. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first method is confirmation page. Now after you submit a form, Google Form may show a confirmation page. This page usually has a message saying that your responses have been recorded. In some cases, the page will include view your response link. Just click on this link and it will show you a summary of your responses. Second method is email confirmation. Now, if enabled by the form creator, some form creators enable an option that sends respondents a copy of their response. Usually in the settings right here, if you go to the responses of the form, you can see this option right here, send responders a copy of their response. Now, if the form creator has turned this on, you're gonna be able you will receive an email with your filled responses shortly after submitting one form. And you can simply check your email inbox, the one you used to fill out the form, for this confirmation email. Now, if the form creator has customized the email, it will contain a direct link to view your response or a summary in email itself. As for the third method, is to edit your response. Now, if the form creator has enabled the option to allow respondents to edit their responses after submission, you will see an edit your response link on the confirmation page or in the email. Clicking on this link allows you to revisit and modify the form. It's unfortunate to note that this feature is optional and may not available on every form, so check if the link is present. Now the form creator can enable this one right here by toggling this option right here on allow response editing. Now responses on this form can be edited by the person who filled out the form. And that's it for today's tutorial. Viewing a filled Google form after submission depends on the option the form creator has enabled. The confirmation page, email confirmation, and the ability to edit your response are the main ways to access your submission. Always consider saving a copy of your responses to ensure you have access to it later. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.